Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey there, fellow aviators. Encountering error code 7 in infinite flight can definitely be frustrating. But don't worry, it's a pretty common issue that usually points to a server connection problem. This error often pops up when the app struggles to connect to the infinite flight servers, preventing you from enjoying your flight. The good news is, many times it's a temporary glitch, and there are several straightforward steps you can take to get back in the skies quickly. We're going to walk through each one, nice and easy. Our first steps are super simple, but surprisingly effective. Start by completely closing the Infinite Flight app, then fully restart your device. Once it's back on, double-check your Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Make sure it's strong and stable. You might also quickly pop over to Infinite Flight's official website or social media to see if there are any known server outages. Sometimes, it's just a temporary hiccup on their end, and a little patience is all it takes. If restarting didn't do the trick, let's look at the app's data. Over time, temporary files in the app's cache can become corrupted, leading to issues like error code 7. You can clear the cache in your device's app settings, which is generally quite safe and won't delete your flight plans or settings. If that still doesn't work, consider clearing all app data, but remember, this will essentially reset the app to its fresh installed state, so you'll need to re-download scenery packs and log back in. When all else fails, a complete reinstallation is often the most reliable solution. This step ensures that any deeply corrupted files or settings are totally removed, giving you a fresh start. First, uninstall Infinite Flight completely from your device. Then, head over to your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and download it again. It might take a little while to re-download all the content, but it often fixes persistent errors like this for good. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and error code 7 is still giving you trouble, it's time to reach out to the experts. Head over to Infinite Flight's official support website or their community forum. They have dedicated teams ready to help with more complex issues. Also, keep an eye on their social media for any widespread problem announcements. And always make sure your Infinite Flight app is updated to the very latest version, as developers often release fixes for known bugs in new updates. Happy flying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.